Well, Assalamu alaikum and hello from Mankind Malik channel. Today we are going to be going inside the Excel London exhibition. But before that, as we make our way, here's some action that I saw on the way. It reminds me of Hawaii 5-0. Look at those people enjoying themselves in fresh air, fresh water, and off they go. Teamwork at its best.
Hi everyone, I've just come across something, as you can see at the background. And I'm not sure what it is. If any one of you know what it is, you're quite welcome to let me know. It'll be a big relief for me, you know what I mean? Well, dear viewers, I've met Bassam today, and ASB London Travel, that's his channel. So you're quite welcome to look into it, and I'm going to check it out today because it seems very interesting. And so the Mankind Malik endeavor and journey continues. Let's go. As I told you, we're going to be going to this exhibition center there and show you the stuff there. But in the meantime, from Bassam and Mankind Malik,
Assalamu alaikum.
wa alaikum assalam. And we had a good handshake to us and salute to humanity, and let's respect each other and care. And life's beautiful if you want to make it that way. So I'm looking forward to see you ASAP there where we going.
Inshallah.
So inshallah.
Well,
Thank you, Bassam.
on the way we met some lovely people, as you saw. Very good. Adds a lot to your experience when you meet people. This is a view of the river here, and a kind of a bit of a glimpse of the city. And we also saw the ladies team rowing their way at this river. Beautiful sight. I wish I was there, but next time, because time was of the essence and we didn't have much time for me to indulge into that Excel exhibition. There we are. We have arrived. So this is the nearest train station, tube station rather, and it was lovely to go up the stairs and see on the left and right a good view for you to have a true sense of this exhibition. Trains going, crossing, isn't a lovely sight? One day I think I'll do a video on the train and see what the experience is like. It's been a long time. Excel exhibition. Well, as we enter, it's got a good ambience which really felt very inviting. The colors looking good and appealing, and really want to go and be part of this. As we head inside, there weren't a lot of people, but as soon as we hit the main area where the exhibitions were, it was a different feeling altogether. On the way, the staff, they were very kind to direct me in terms of which way I needs to go. So that's where we're heading. Yes. Well, this is some, I think, future development going to be taking place in London. So these are the exhibitions, different exhibitions of different things. It's good to attend exhibitions. It gives you a sense of which way the world is heading, and also gives you a sense of creativity. This was another exhibition. You have to buy a ticket, by the way, for each exhibition. Grand Designs London. Yeah, I do watch that program, by the way. So this program, I'm sure that experience were to be full of ideas. Another exhibition. So I'm just giving you a glimpse so that you get the picture in terms of what this exhibition looks like from inside. The pharmacy exhibition, or if you are a pharmacist or something related. This exhibition is pretty compact. This is Excel London. It's not too big, but it's certainly got a good spacious feel to it, and you feel pretty enlightened and delighted as you probably take those scenes and make sense out of them. So these are some displays that I'm trying to show you. Gives a good feel of the place and in terms of what it has to offer to the public. Now we're going to be heading outside.
So that's we came out of here from there just, and if you look on the other side, see those? These, I suppose, are some old, well, dock cranes. So this is like I think an old part of the docks, and you see those cranes there. I think they are monumental in presence. I don't think they work or function right now, but anyway, is a site that captures a lot of history if you take it that way. See that there? That's not a ship. That's not a yacht. It's basically a yacht hotel. So let's go near.